Introducing the LED Heliball from TXJuice. Use your hands, feet, or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology detects what's below and hovers above it. Or use the manual trigger control and see how close you can get to the ceiling or floor without crashing. The unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay flying? Auto flight and awesome light shows only with the LED Heliball. TXJuice, it's all about the button.
Mission Hydroactive. The proprietary technology instantly absorbs and transports water through a series of hollow core fibers. These lightweight fibers combine to slow the rate of evaporation, providing an instant and prolonged cooling effect, keeping you cooler so you can go harder, longer.
Forever Ready Drone from TXJuice includes 2 USB batteries so you're always charged and ready to fly. One press juice button activates awesome stunt flips. And where other drones run down their power when flipping, you always have another charged USB battery for fast changing and forever flying. Forever Ready Drone from TXJuice. It's all about the button.
Introducing the new Mengo MagnaSnap Mini Magnetic Air Vent Mount. Included in the box are instructions, 2 metal backplates, and the MagnaSnap mount. With its sleek and simple design, the MagnaSnap mount makes mounting your devices easier than ever. To use the MagnaSnap mount, attach one of the metal backplates to the back of your device, inside the cover of your device, or on the outside of the device case. For the strongest grip, have direct contact between the metal backplate and the MagnaSnap mount. To use the MagnaSnap mount, choose between one of 2 size slots on the mount and push it all the way into the air vent in your vehicle. Then, attach your device with the metal backplate to the MagnaSnap mount. With its 360-degree swivel capability, mount the device at whichever angle suits the driver's needs.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.